In today's world, technology pushes the human body beyond its natural limits. Faster, stronger, bigger. Men running under 10 seconds. Athlete breaking records every year. Muscles growing bigger and bigger. But let me ask you something. If you build a three-story building on a two-story foundation, what happens? It collapses. That's what's happening to the modern body. The human body is still flesh and bone. No matter how advanced technology becomes, no matter how strong supplements become, no matter how powerful science become, your nervous system, your tendons, your joints still have limits. Many people chase performance. Very few people build foundation. Wing Chun is not about pushing the body to the edge. Wing Chun is about building structure that lasts. I've trained Wing Chun for over 50 years. I'm 72 years old. I'm not training to impress anyone. I'm training to last. Wing Chun gave me something very powerful. Structure, breathing control, calm under pressure, longevity. That's something you cannot buy with supplements. Let me show you. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. Together, both fists on the side of your chest. Look at my stance. Relax shoulder, spine upright, knees gently inward, feet on the ground. Power does not start from muscle, it starts from alignment. So when your structure is correct, your body does not fight itself, it supports itself. That is a foundation. Without foundation, speed destroys you. With foundation, speed becomes safe. Once you have your foundation, make sure that your body doesn't lean forward or back, left or right. When you punch, do not extend your shoulder. Don't make sure your body stays square and firm. Your center line is where your power comes from. So in Wing Chun, everything protects the center line. Why? Because the center line is your nervous system highway. Your heart, your throat, your solar plex. We don't swing wide. We don't waste energy. We move direct. Direct movement reduce stress on joint. Direct movement reduces anxiety in the body. So it's called the economy of motion, protects longevity. So let's start with the Tan Sao and Wu Sao. So Tan Sao and Wu Sao is not a block. It's a bridge. So now I punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your elbow is a punch away from your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you can see a double Gang Sao. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now Gang Sao and punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay square. The shoulder doesn't move forward or backward. And then relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can add in the power. 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, and relax. So let's summarize this again. We start with the structure, fit together. Let's summarize this again. Let's summarize this. Start from the Wing Chun structure, feet together, both fists on the side of the chest, Wing Chun stance, knee relax, body structure in a straight line, do not bend forward or back, lean to the left or right. Check your center line, your middle fingers and your nose are in line. Then you practice your Gang Sao 1, 2, 3, nice and slow, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can speed it up once you get it, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you Gang Sao punch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Speed it up when you feel that you're comfortable, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you add in the power. Ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, and relax. So follow this video and practice this every day for 2 weeks. Your structure, your center line, your Gang Sao, and your Gang Sao and punch will improve. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. Power is not from big muscles. It is from timing and alignment. If you train like this for years, your body becomes efficient, not stressed. The modern world keeps people in constant tension, fight or flight mood. Wing Chun teaches economy, efficiency, calm structure. That's why it's not just a fighting art. It is a longevity system. You can chase performance or you can build foundation. One impresses people, one protects your life. Train smart, train for longevity, train Wing Chun. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I'll show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.